Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Data Cloud Now. I'm currently in San Jose at NVIDIA's GTC Conference, where I'm now delighted to be joined by Marjorie Janiewicz, CRO in Mistral. Marjorie, such a pleasure to be with you here today.
Thank you for having me. It's exciting week, exciting times.
At Mistral, your ethos is that the AI future belongs in the hands of your customers. How is the Mistral team executing to make this a reality, and what AI use cases are leading the way?
From the very early days, it was very important for us to focus on making the technology accessible to us and to bring it in everybody's hands. What it means to us is making sure that, one, the technology is portable, that we give choice to our customers, but most importantly, that it's efficient at scale and that it's customizable. We found over the last couple of years that in order to drive adoption, customers really need to appropriate themselves those models and the technology to make it their own. So we are starting to see a lot of different breadth and depth of use cases across retail, financial services, digital native. We have great examples with you guys where we're running text-to-SQL model to really help queries and dynamic analytics. It's making that process easier, accessible to all. So those are great examples. We also launched a great coding model that you guys are using and making our customers benefit from. That's making really coding easier, the queries faster, and driving improvements in productivity across the board, even in coding.
It's great to hear about the power of the collective ecosystem. Snowflake is not just a data cloud, not just an AI platform, it's a full infrastructure to support the whole ecosystem. How do your customers harness the power of performance of NVIDIA's GPUs within Snowflake?
We really believe in the vertical integration to deliver greater value for our customers. So it means that customers that are using NVIDIA can also benefit from the Snowflake infrastructure. And on top of that, sit our models and makes that integration complete and deliver values faster to our customers, making adoption also accelerated for everybody.
Very much a win-win on both sides.
Yes.
In similar fashion, how does the AI Data Cloud fit into Mistral's data strategy, and what makes this partnership with Snowflake so unique?
I think I'm very excited about this partnership because I think we have strong alignment in values. You guys are about democratizing data infrastructure. We are about democratizing AI. So the combination of the two is really what's accelerating time to market for our customers and overall benefits for everybody included.
Great to hear. And now I want to get personal with you. You've been at Mistral for a year now. What would be the number one thing that you discovered about Mistral and that you'd like to share with the 11,000 Snowflake customers?
I think for me, and this is my third open source company, so I'm going to declare it as a surprise, but maybe not fully. But openness and performance in the end is what matters. So I think what we've learned over the past 2 years is really bringing those models open source to companies are just really accelerating innovation. So even in the last couple of weeks, we launched a small model on Monday to really facilitate high volume and high speeds. We launched an OCR model 2 weeks ago to really transform the way customers are using OCR as a process. We launched our Le Chat interface, Le Chat, very French indeed, to really connect the dots between the interface, the infrastructure, and the models underneath. So openness, drive excellence, and also the performance of the models at the end is what's driving value to our customers and yours.
It's an exciting next chapter. It's safe to say that we are very much past the AI hype cycle and are now in the time of ROI in business outcomes. From your seat as CRO, how do you see teams balancing these two objectives? And for those leading the way, what steps have they already taken?
I think for a sales team, hype is not an objective. But I think we've learned a lot over the past couple of years, and I'm sure you guys have seen the same thing. We are past proof of concepts, model evaluations. I think what we are focused on with our customers is to start with a concrete problem they're trying to address, a concrete business opportunity they're trying to exploit, a concrete workflow they're trying to optimize. So instead of starting just from the technology, we start with the concrete problem or the concrete use case, and we really start designing and architecting solutions that are going to help them address those specific issues. So no to POCs, yes to pilots, to ensure proper design and proper adoption. So that's the biggest learning, I think.
I love that. And why did you choose to host your models on Snowflake, and what's next for Mistral?
We truly believe that the value for the customer is the integration of great infrastructure, secure infrastructure, scalable infrastructure that customers can get with you, and that hosting our models on your infrastructure is going to make the best of the models for our end customers. So it's, of course, giving us reach, but it's also providing an end-to-end solution to those customers that are trying to move as fast as possible.
It's been such a pleasure having you on the program. Thank you
for
so
having
much
me.
for joining me.
Yes.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ron Green with Data Cloud Now. We'll see you soon.